Bravo, writers! You've embarked on a remarkable journey through the Essay Apprentice Writing Program, exploring the art of writing from crafting your own story to understanding the persuasive power of words. Each word you've written, each idea you've shared, has been a step on the path to building confidence in your writing. You've not only learned how to express yourselves more effectively, but also how to reach out and touch the hearts and minds of your readers. As we turn the page to part 2, sentence structure, we dive deeper into the building blocks of writing. Imagine crafting sentences with the precision of a poet and the clarity of a journalist. So take a deep breath and ready your pens, for the adventure continues.